Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install plugins on your Minecraft server. Before this video begins, make sure to join my Discord, it's linked in the description. If you're having any problems with this video, just join the server and ask for help and I'm sure they'll be able to help you. So what we're going to need is our plugin that we want to install on our server. For the plugin, I'm going to be using my plugin that I created. It's just a screen announcements plugin. What you're going to do is download this to your desktop. Okay guys, so while editing this video, I forgot to mention that if you want to look for plugins for your server, you can always go to spigotfc.org/resources. Here you'll find a list of plugins. And once you have your plugin downloaded, you're going to open up your server. If you do not have a server created, go ahead and watch my previous video. I'll have it in the description so that you can create yourself a server. So what you're going to want to do is open up your plugins folder, and you're going to want to drag in your plugin to this folder. Once that's done, you can go ahead and close out of your plugins folder. And we're going to want to go to our server here. And if you don't have it started, you're going to want to go ahead and start it. If you do have it started, you just want to type in reload. As you can see, it says reload complete. Now if we type in plugins, it'll show up that our plugin is installed. So now that we're in our server as a player, basically I'm going to show you guys that your plugin is installed. So for example, my plugin is screen announcements that I've made. All you have to do is type in /announce and then type in hello. You can see it shows up an announcement on player screens. And this is also with color code support as well. But that is for another video. If you guys do want to go ahead and download that, it'll be in the description. Anyways guys, that's going to be it for this video. If this video did in any way help you, make sure to leave a like down below. And subscribe to stay up to date with content that I release. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.